I want to go over how I am conducting student conferences from home, okay? When you guys go to your when you guys log into your class, okay? So this is my period 8 class, all right? You're going to go and you're going to see assignments here. I tagged you guys. When I made an assignment, you can view the assignment. After you view the assignment, it's going to look like this. It's going to tell you what the assignment is, all right? With that said, you can go back, and we'll go back again. When I go into your regular assignment threads, let me go back again, sorry. When you're in your assignments now, you're going to be able to see the assignment. Click to view the assignment just as you did. But when you click on the drop menu of my replies, I have tagged each of you with a specific description of which projects you're up to with clickable links that take you to the project tutorial so you can do them online. I have all of your names here, and each of you are individually different. Not a lot of you are going to be in graphic design because I only put people in graphic design that are licensed in Microsoft certifications. You have to be licensed in Word, PowerPoint, and Excel to venture off to graphic design. This is where the real go-getters in the beginning of the year are really enjoying graphic design now because they got licensed already. Now, if you notice, under Microsoft certifications, and this is going to be done for every class. This is my 8th period class I did first, plus I was listing tutorials today. It's been a long day. But you guys are all pretty much straight now, and I want to make sure that everyone has an individual conference. And these conferences that I have listed here, it tells you which term you're into, the benchmark. I explain that you are venturing from Photoshop, going back into Microsoft so you can get licensed. And I explain exactly where you guys are based on your names. Okay, so when you click here, it tells you you are now up to Core 2 testing and your score that you need to beat. All right, even the scores, I put some numbers for those of you that I had it on record. All right, you guys all know that when we sit together, I go into the administrative panel and I check everything and I log everything into my grade book, which is right here. So if we go, for instance, into any of my students that I just had, I actually go back on your attendance, and then I go back over, oh, sorry, not Kimoni. I go back on your attendance, and I will also have everything that you are up to. So I know, based on when we were doing Microsoft, I know exactly which exams you were up to and the scores that you need to beat. Hence, this was Nicole's. So if we go back over, here we have it. Here is her score to beat. And there's where she's at. And I have all of the attendance, which, by the way, I'm marking you guys present when I look at your names. When I go to your name, I'm going to roll over your name. I'm going to see the last time that you guys logged in. That you can't fake this. I know that she was here today. That is why she is marked present today, which I have to put the date is 3/23/2020. And that's that. As we move over, there's the 20th. We had the weekend. Here's your benchmarks. I did all my conferences for all of my period 8 class, and that is how we're doing it. Here's your attendance for all of you. All right, I expect you guys. Let me just center this because I'm crazy like that. Make sure it's centered. Good. File, save. All right, now check it out. When I roll over your name, I know that this individual was not here today. This individual was not online. Okay, I'm going to go over Curly. I know she was here today. She was on 18 minutes ago. David, he was on 48 minutes ago. Guys, I'm going to be checking your attendance, and I'm going to be posting all of your benchmarks based not only on my grade book, but based on your progress from Microsoft, from the past marking periods. Okay, it's all here. So this is the beginning of the third quarter. I'm sorry, the second marking period term of the second quarter, which starts on March 10th. All right, so any of you that are in here, I'm telling you, the marking period starts from March 10th and it ends on April 24th. Okay, and I tell you exactly which exam that you are up to. All right, and if you don't think that I'm going to be checking your exams, you're very wrong, because I am going to go into Geometrics.net. After I am in Geometrics.net, I'm going to the administrative panel. I'm going to plug in my information. And then, yes, in Microsoft, especially for my Microsoft students, I'm going to reports, I'm going to test tracking, Once I'm in test tracking, I am going to put from March 10th, which was the beginning of the marking period, and the end date will be April 24th. All right, that's when I'm starting it. And if I type in your name, I got the person's name here. This person did Excel. I'm going to be able to go into your results, guys. Not only can I see what you got and everything, but I can tell exactly which questions and the points that you got, if you got it yes or no, based on every function in Microsoft, okay? I'm going into checking everything with the conferences with you guys. So please, I urge you, get the exact amount of exams that you should have done, which is going to be written right into here. It's in the assignments, all right? You're listed as a reply, and I tagged you. All of you have been tagged, and I can tell when you are online. Carla's available right now. Of course she is. All right, so when you click on View Assignment, guys, everything is all listed. There's a number for tech support as well for you guys to download Geometrics. Also, I put a video right here. If you guys are having problems downloading Geometrics online, I put on every assignment a way for you guys to be able to, by my own teacher-made videos, for you guys to be able to do things and fix things yourself. Students that are having issues downloading Geometrics to your computer and getting 2016 on your computer. Also, if you have a Chromebook, they do not allow you to download anything, so you can do everything remotely from Geometrics. I got you. Here's how we do this. Sorry, I have my newborn with me here. All right, logged into geometrics.net, going into redeem. You guys are going to have to redeem the access code for our school, which is this, 31482-HSAC cap. All right, I'm not going to bore you with everything, but I go into everything that you guys need to know for this stuff. Okay, it is all here. All the tech support that you guys will need is right here at your own beck and call. My main point is that I am indefinitely going to be doing conferences with each of you. I have already finished my period 8 class. It's been quite daunting. I had to put a lot of tutorials up for all of you guys. I don't want anyone left out to dry here. All right. No one is not responsible at home. Even if you try and tell me, oh, I don't have a computer, I can't get access to a computer. That's nonsense, because right here is a link that I put up, and the date that I put it up was on the 20th. That was 3 days ago for you guys to get a computer. Every one of you are responsible for logging into Microsoft Teams. Every one of you have to finish these assignments before April 24th, and that is all written, even for my web design people. Web design is all set up. Microsoft students are all set up. The only ones that I'm going to give a bye to, only up to this point, that aren't really able to. Curly's awesome because she already downloaded Photoshop and purchased it, which is great. That's why I made that video for you guys, which is right here. Because if the interface changed a little bit, I wanted you guys to make sure you're covered. But look, anyone that's in graphic design, I have you right here. And that's going to be Itzel, Arlima, Matthew Restrepo. Matthew's very lucky. He started late in my class and missed the Microsoft stuff. So that goes, some people get it like that. Emmy as well, she's very diligent. And then Curly. Curly purchased Photoshop. That's why she's in this tier. All right. I'm leaving none of you out to dry. Every one of you are going to be held accountable for what you need to do. All right. This is where you're going to see that I have tagged you, and it's tagged to your assignments. This is exactly the way it's going down. Again, when I roll over you, I had better see that you logged in today so I can mark you present on my attendance. Good luck.